I will start off by saying that deciding to pursue a managing for social impact minor has been one of the best decisions that I've made academically. When I started considering what type of a minor I wanted to pursue here, the first thing I told myself was that I wanted it to be something that I had a genuine interest in or passion for. And the second thing was that I wanted it to be a minor that was different enough from my major in finance that it would allow me to gain a knowledge and skill set that would enable me to approach problems with a different and overall broader lens.
I really just wanted to combine my passion for environmental protection and social justice with my business education. I've always wanted to work towards having a career in which I felt like I was having a positive social impact. And I also just really wanted to learn more about the world around me. The interdisciplinary nature of the Managing for Social Impact program allows you to explore and take courses that you otherwise might not have been able to take advantage of at Boston College. Students can expect to gain a really holistic understanding of the various roles that businesses, nonprofits, and government can have in creating social impact. Depending on your social impact focus area, there's three. You can even gain more specialized knowledge in topics of your choice. I personally chose the environmental and economic sustainability track, which has allowed me to understand how law, sociology, and philosophy all intersect with social impact.
I love the combination of being a finance major and a managing for social impact minor because in many aspects, the two are very different, but I do find that there is a lot of intersection. It's especially exciting to have this major minor combination right now as we see the increased involvement of the corporate sector in social impact movements. For example, you see the rise of interest in ESG investing. Overall, it's very exciting that my minor is not only something that I'm passionate about, but it's something that continues to become more and more relevant and connected to the finance space and ultimately the industry that I'll be going into after graduation.
I'm an operations major, and I've just always been really fascinated with supply chains. And I think supply chains and managing for social impact go really hand in hand. One of the core themes of supply chain is just leaner operations. And this means increasing efficiency and just leanness in general. And this has serious environmental implications. And just especially in a globalized world, I think supply chains and social justice are interwoven. And I like to think in the future how I could be a supply chain professional to create a more equitable future.
If you are the type of student who is passionate about being involved in driving change and you're eager to learn about the different models and organizations through which this change happens, I would also say that if you're the type of student that really enjoys being involved in open class conversations and sharing your perspective on issues and problems, this could also be a great fit for you.
I can honestly say that every course I've taken in this minor has been one of my favorite courses at BC. But I'm currently in a course called Environmental Justice. It's one of my electives. And I think this course really helps me to think critically about how environmental and social issues are really interwoven, and gives me a holistic understanding on some of the histories on how many of the injustices of today began to occur. I think my favorite managing for social impact courses have taught me that I have a lot to learn, and have had made me think, really critically about the world around me and see it in a different way.
My favorite class that I've taken is called Leading for Social Impact. This is one of the last classes that you take as part of the Managing for Social Impact minor. And it's really exciting because it gives you the opportunity to apply all of the knowledge that you've built up through the previous classes to hands-on projects. For example, right now I'm actually working on a semester-long project with 3 other Boston College students and a nonprofit in Miami.